Welcome to the tutorial on using the GeoResGlobe to access fossicking information. In this tutorial, we'll give a quick overview of GeoResGlobe, learning about its interface, features and functions that can help you find information about where fossicking is permitted in Queensland. We'll talk about how to access and use the GeoResGlobe application, turn on the fossicking topic, interact with the map layers relevant to fossicking, search for a location you're interested in, identify places on the map, and print your map. GeoResGlobe is a web-based application that runs on desktop and tablet devices with an internet browser. GeoResGlobe works best on modern browsers such as Edge or Chrome. Just type in the URL georesglobe.information.qld.gov.au. You'll first see the home page, which shows further information about the application and prompts you to read the terms and conditions. To continue, accept the conditions by checking the acknowledgement box. Then select Get Started. When the application first loads, you will see a map of Queensland. We will now take a look at some of the tools and features useful for finding information about fossicking areas. Main menu. The left side of the interface contains the main menu panel. In this tutorial, we'll focus on how to use the Topics, Search and Layers items. Topics. First select the Topics item on the top left. Topics are groups of related data that you can add to the map. This is an easy way to launch a map with the data layers of a chosen theme. Click on the Search button. Type fossicking and press Enter. You can now see the fossicking topic. Click on the arrow to view more information about the fossicking topic. You will see information about where fossicking is permitted and links to websites to help you purchase a fossicking license and find more fossicking information on the Queensland Government website. Here you will also see a list of the related layers that will be added to the map. Select Launch Topic and then Add to Globe. Then wait for a moment as the layers load on your map. Navigation tools. When the topic first loads, you will see a topographic map of Queensland. The fossicking area layers are too small to view clearly at this extent, so you will need to zoom into the map. Use the Zoom In button on the bottom right of the interface to get a closer view of the map, and use the Zoom Out button as needed. Click and drag on the map to pan around and explore. Or you can hold down the Shift key, click and drag a box to zoom in to an accurate area. For this example, we will look for fossicking areas around Rubyvale. Now we can see the fossicking area outlines more clearly. We can also see more detail of the surrounding area. Layers. Click on the arrow on the right side of the interface to view the map legend. Click on the Layers item on the left to view the list of layers that were added to the map when we turned on the fossicking topic. Click on the arrow beside each layer category to view the subcategories and turn them on and off. Now we can see all of the layers that were turned on with the fossicking topic, including road parcels, fossicking areas and designated fossicking land. These are areas established by the government in cooperation with local government and landholders. They're signposted and publicised as part of a statewide network to promote local tourism. Commercial mining tenures are allowed in fossicking lands but not in fossicking areas. General permission areas. These are areas where landholders have given general permission for fossicking and camping on specific areas of their properties. Make sure you follow the rules and pay the fee if required. For more information about these areas, click on the arrow next to the fossicking categories to find a link to the Fossicking Queensland website. The Base Maps layer allows you to choose different map backgrounds, for example, satellite imagery, different styles of base maps, place names, and another more detailed road layer. Search. Another way to find a specific area on the map is to use the search function. To search for a town or place name, scroll down the list and select Place Name. Type the name of the place and select the location from the list below. This will zoom in to the center of the place name you have entered. Use the navigation tools to explore the surrounding area and find a fossicking area nearby. Or, if you know the name of the particular fossicking area you're interested in, select Fossicking Area. Type the name in the search field and click Search. The area will appear in the results table at the bottom of the screen. Click on the checkbox to select the area, then click Zoom to Selection to get a closer view. Identify. You can use the Identify tool to find further information about fossicking areas. Select the tool icon and the Identify item. Select Identify Point and click on a fossicking area on the map. The results window will open. Click on the relevant tab to see information about that area. You will find useful information in the results window, such as the parcel name and links to fossicking map PDFs on the Fossicking Queensland website. Print your map. After you have found a fossicking area and turned on your preferred layers, you can print your map. Select Print from the main menu and wait a moment for your map to load. Choose from the layout preferences including Landscape or Portrait, A4 or A3 size, and set the resolution to high for the best quality print result. You can add a title and subtitle to your map. Click on the lock icon to adjust the map placement and extent by using the pan and zoom tools. Finally, select Print to PDF or PNG. You can now download your map file. Go to your Downloads folder to find your map file that you can open, print, or keep on your hard drive. Further information. For further information about creating, saving, and sharing maps in GeoResGlobe, select Help from the main menu, which will open the Help library in a new browser window. Available instructions that you might find useful include drawing annotations, and printing, saving, and sharing maps. This concludes the tutorial. For more information, please see the details on screen now.